Teh keberjubun kepada yang sampai episode na kaneka channel. Teh matak sengi ngan manra biang episode ya kaneka kubolai kam kepala pelai da ka Government of Meghalaya. Langba ka office jong Deputy Commissioner ke East Jahil District Kelerian. Teh ya kaneka advertisement kila publish ka 23 Oktober ajar pesan. Teh ka District Selection Committee DSC East Jahil District Kelerian kala khot application nam da kinong sung ki bakwa ban apply ya kaneka post grade 4. Teh kini ke post phila ban apply na do ka 23 Oktober hadu 23 November ajar arsan. Langba ka official website jongki https://eastjahildistrict.com. Nang ta dong ini page ede kita ki post ki balai. Name of the post connect way ka driver but ka pay level 3 ka qualification ka kadan pulih bihaban pass ya ka class 8 nang ta ka total post south liki post away jong ka on reserve categories khasi jantia karu lai liki post nang ta ka total kalong south liki post ke kadan pulih class 8 pass but bihabdon ya ka driving license nang ta ka post ka baar ka deka chokidar kane ka pay level 1 nang ta ka class 3 pass ki cherang bat kanthai chenrang bat kanthai kila ban apply kana menta kene kalong chpeutli ki post baro khandai namta ki kasi jantia garu bat iwe namta ki on reserve categories bat kene tang class 8 pass nangta ka post ka balai ka deka pion kom chokidar kene ru ka pay level 1 nangta ka class 8 pass kene tang namta ki chenrang ki bala ban apply kene ka pion kom chokidar nangta ka post kalong tang iwe tang namta I on reserve categories nangta ka post ka basau ka sweeper kom cleaner kene namta jong ki cleaner te class 8 pass tang class 8 pass but ki prefer tang ya ki kanthai nangta tang ya kasi jantia garu ki bala ban apply kene tang iwe I post nangta ka post ka basan ka dega grade 4 level 1 nangta class 8 pass chenrang bat kanthai kila ban apply bat ka total post kalong tang iwe kasi jantia garu mo nangta pion ka post ka bahandu ka deka pion level 1 ke class 8 pass chenrang bat kanthai kila ban apply nangta kasi jantia garu iwe nangta ka on reserve categories iwe nangta ka total post kalong artli nangta ka post ka bahanyo ka deka mali nangta ka class 8 pass chenrang bat kanthai ru kila ban apply nangta ka total post kalong tang iwe tang namta I kasi jantia ban garu categories nangta post ka bapra kalong plant protection field workers nangta kine kidai ki class 8 pass pat chenrang kanthai ru kila ban apply ka total post kalong lai tang iwe post bat kasi jantia garu categories tang namta jong kasi jantia garu mo ta ki qualification te kalong bai class 8 pass baro kine kimdon ra ke ekele except for driving for driver ki habdon ya ka driving license nangta ka age limit bihab phila ban apply na do khat plus name hado live arts name bat namta ki SCST phila ban apply hado live news name ru mo nangta ka examination fees lane ka payment application kane ka general bihab siu chispa ka way ka post bat namta ki SCST jongka jila Meghalaya bihaban siu tang san pheutang ka marwe nangta phila ban siu langba ka online payment langba ka online e-payment mo langba ka SBI net banking phila ban apply enda phila apply kinsa IAP kumno ban kinsa don ni ka option ban choose anta nangta ka method of selection ka for the post of grade 4 screening test consisting of the following subject in MCQ pattern ki abat da ki choose general knowledge and current affairs chispa mak nangta that only candidate who have produced all the required document to, in original related to the educational qualification date of birth cash company and other certificate were required and preferred by rule will be deemed qualified then tang candidate ki ba ai ki original ki ba don ye ka original mo ki ba don ye ka original bat ki ba ya dei kat kum ka jing kat kum ki kot ki sla jong ki baro ki ba biang tang kita ki bala ban apply kini post mo phimla shu ban le thok kane nang ta ka phila ban apply ha kane ka website http nang ta /isjaintiahilldistrict.government.in te kumbang ala ong class date February November arjar option te kiba kwa ban apply seba apply hachua jongka February November bat chua apply knang ba ka website ha ka last date kanam puntur shu epi te kane ka katkum ka ni ka ba kila ai ha ka ubnai match arjar option prefer will be given to a local candidate residing permanently in East Jaintia Hill District. Te ki ai ba ikini ki post cha ki ba chongchunong jong ka East Jaintia Hill District jong ka jila Meghalaya mo ta ki candidate ki bala de ban register kim don kam shu ban register ki la ban shu login ban apply directly mo ikani ki post te tangkum ne hi thra yakani ka post te ki ba don jing thumu bat ki ba don ya ka kadan pule bat ki kot kisla ki ba biang phila ban apply lang ba to ka website ke ba ngala dep ong bat ya ka kumbala ngala dep ong bat ka application fees ka long bai tang san pheu jong ka SC ST te ki bam nang ban apply da ka phone jong pi ngan sa upload hi video kumno ban apply kani ka post tang kum ne ngin chem biang ha ka next video khublai shibun